What is this? Toothpaste on my arm?
Is it toothpaste?
Honey, how dare you? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be going over the Pat McGrath Labs, the Liquid Lust Color Blitz. It's the first edition and it's limited, and when I saw it, it was full of glitz and glam and it was just so amazing. So I just had to get it. I mean, are you kidding me right now? It's hollow, like come on. It's amazing. The three colors in this packet is it's like a burgundy-ish red. Actually, I can't even see because there's like so much glitter in here. Oh my gosh, I finally opened it. Oh my gosh, these are the three lipsticks I got. These are the three colors. Ah! Oh my god, you guys, in the glitter, there's one more product. Violet Crystalline Microfine Pigment. What is this? Is this supposed to be in here? Oh, it's glitter. The second thing that I want to try today is the Huda Beauty Smoky Obsessions. Every time I go to Sephora to buy this, it's always out. I finally got my dirty little paws all over it, so I'm going to try this today. You can see the silver, which is really, really glistening, and there's just like T-zone right here is all just really glittery palette. So I want to try this. I want to try this out. All right, let's get started. First, I'm gonna go and try the Huda Beauty. I've already put some foundation and some eye primer, and so I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on top. So I'm gonna bring my brushes over here. The top middle one. There's only how many? 9? There's only 9 squares. I'm just gonna go in and do my whole eyelid. You know what? Screw it. I'm gonna try to. I'm just gonna go in. I'm just gonna go in with the dark brown. Huh, I look crazy. I feel like these pigments are really strong for like what I usually do. I feel like there's particular ways to do makeup, but I feel like as long as you blend well, you're gonna be able to succeed. I still want my outer corners to be a little bit darker, and I'm gonna highlight the middle. And I'm kind of scared to use this very shimmery silver that I have. I've never worn silver. I'm gonna use the gold because I feel like the gold tone is gonna go a little bit better with my skin. And then you just like blend the sides. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more of the dark brown that's in the middle. It's like a shimmery coffee brown. And right now it looks so pretty crazy. So I'm gonna just use one of my blending brushes. And I'm just gonna blend it in. I've kind of mixed the two colors together, the gold and the silver. And I wanna see what it, ooh. Okay. I see you, glitter. Ooh, it is so, okay. Okay. Oh my god, I love it. So I'm taking the black, I'm using my MAC 207 brush, and I'm just gonna go in the corner, and I'm not gonna do too much. I'm just gonna lightly dab.
Alright, it's time!
So So this is my full look with Pat McGrath Labs and Huda Beauty. I know I didn't go really crazy on the eyes as I thought I would go, but I did go a little bit crazy on the lips. I do love this lipstick. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.